Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to solve an error where the new button is missing from an account object. So in this video tutorial, we will discuss how we can resolve the issue where the new button is either not visible or it is missing from an account object. And we'll cover the solution of this issue for the Salesforce Lightning and also give the solution for this issue. So let's proceed and understand where is the main issue. So here you can see, firstly we open our Salesforce account for adding the new button in a Salesforce Lightning account and resolve the issue of not showing this new button from an account object. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, then firstly switch to the Lightning edition, then proceed further. So here I logged in our account and here I will search for the account. So firstly I click on the app launcher and search for the account object and click on the accounts, and here you can see in the list view no new button is present. So what is the role of new button? Firstly we discussed that we can use a new button to create or insert basically any sort of the record for a particular object. We use the new button. Now you can see there is a no new button is present under this list view. So firstly I check any other object. For example, I check for the contact. Click on the contact object and here you can see the new button is present. You can see their new button is visible, but for the account object the new button is not visible. So now note this issue generally for the page layout. Note this issue generally occur where the new button is not added to the list view page layout. Now let's see how we can add this new button to the list view layout. So for this we firstly click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and here we can see the object manager tab is present. Click on this object manager tab and then click on the account object because we are working on the account object where the new button is not showing. So I click on the account object and here you can see the details related to the account. Scroll down under the details section. There is a list view button layout option present. Click on this list view button and here the list view button layout page is open. Here you can see only one record is present, list view, and we click on the drop down arrow and click on the edit button, and it will redirect us to the accounts list view page where we customize the button on the account list view. To remove any standard button, remove the check next to the standard button name. To add custom button, select them and click add. And here you can see the standard button section, and under this section all options are checked, but there is a new option present which is unchecked. So this button is add to the list view. So you can see this button is unchecked. So firstly check it and then scroll down and click on the save button and then go back, and here we come back to our account page and refresh this page, and here we go. We can see our list view page is again open and the new button is present. Here we can add new button in this list view page, and you can see we can very easily add this new button to this account object under the list view page. So with this we have learned how to add list new button which is missing from the account object, but we can easily add this new button on the account object. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.